Hello guys, this is me Sudarshan and you are watching my channel SJRTD. Today I'll be telling you how to earn money online. This will be the most easiest and the simplest way to earn money online. All you have to do is just download these two apps which I'll be telling you in this video. First one is HypStar app. Open HypStar app and you'll see this Khelo live and Jeeto live at the top. Click on that.
पर सबसे कमाल का खेल है बीट द क्यू जो आप अपने HypStar ऐप पर खेल रहे हैं तो आराम से स्ट्रेच आउट हो जाइए, तैयार हो जाइए भैया, क्योंकि मैं पूछने वाला आपसे 12 सवाल.
This is a quiz game. You have to answer the 12 questions correctly, and if you answer all the questions correctly, you will win the prize. The prizes are
आज का सबसे पहला सवाल है
$4,500 and $6,000.
Which of these animals have black and white stripes?
If you answer all the questions correctly, that is all the 12 questions correctly, you can win the prize. Now in case most of the people answer all the questions correctly, the prize will be split into even amount and will be given to all of them.
करने के लिए फिर भी क्योंकि नया सेशन है, आई एम वेरी श्योर दैट अ लॉट ऑफ न्यू पीपल हैव जॉइंड अस टुडे ऑन बीट द क्यू ऑन HypStar app, and for their sake as well as yours, I'm going to stick to reminding you the rules of the game throughout this session. Well, just to tell everyone, we have 1,476 people. You know, every time I say these names, you know, I've always realized that the ticker just keeps going on. So 400 से अभी 800, 1,830 people हैं. क्या बात है? Well, the animal in question are very fast-moving animals and can reach up to speeds of 65 kilometers per hour. And the stripes that the animal is famous for is not just for show. The stripy coat is thought to disperse more than 70% of the incoming heat, preventing the animal from overheating in the African sun. Wow, kamal hai yaar, science. Well, the correct answer is B, zebra or zebra. 65,459 people got that right. Some people have even seen black and white striped monkeys. Well, I think they are the monkey themselves. Anyway, the ancient Rome, dreary zebra were trained to pull chariots at Roman cruises, Roman circuses under the alias hippotigrus, and like horses, even zebra sleep standing up, usually when the safety of a group. With that, moving on to the second question. Which of the following is a valid domain name? देखिए, मैंने आपको प्रॉमिस किया था कि whenever needed, I will provide you with a definition of a word that will help you get the answer correctly. इसलिए,
well, first you have to create the account. You can see this is the main page of this game. Now there are 3 games today available. You can share your link to your friends, your family members, so that you will get extra lives. Now in case if your answer is wrong, this live will be get activated and you will be able to answer the next question. Now remember one thing, only one life is allowed in one game. Second one is HQ Trivia. This game is also similar to this HypStar game.
And good evening, HQties. This Thursday
now
night,
this game is also
February the 22nd.
same as that of the Khelo Live, Jeeto Live in the HypStar app.
What up, it's your girl, Quiz with these.
We have one prize of $2,500. Now this game is also twice a day, so you can win $5,000 in whole day.
North Dakota. Live with all 1.1 million of you, including Jess Roth, Seth Polino, Beth, Michelle, and happy birthdays to Bree Lynn, Sean F1916, Caitlin, Kadong, and Maya. Oh, Maya, are you a first-time caller, long-time listener? Well, listen up to the rules. I asked 12 questions. You got 10 seconds to answer them. If you get them all right, you win our cash prize. All 12 questions you got to answer. And tonight, you're playing for 2,500 deer
1:30 a.m.
2,500 deer hooves,
7:30 a.m.
$2,500
Indian Standard
with
Time.
which will be dearly departing. They could be yours. You can buy an original 1983 Chex bubble hockey arcade game and recreate the Miracle on Ice every night in your rumpus room. Alien spacecraft is given what abbreviation? UFO, LMFAO, or OPP? Mysterious alien spacecraft. The truth is out there. And it doesn't involve favorite band, aka UFO, is the answer we're looking for here. Mystery solved. 1,178,221. Making Quistery tonight. Well, not yet. Ugh. Ugh. 1,799 are down with OPP. Yeah, but you're also going down with a ship. Banished to Area 51 like that crazy UFO. Get out of here. Q2. A person with an MD or PhD often goes by what title? Doctor, Funkmaster, or Archduke? MD or PhD? Huh? What? A PhD? That's not a play-a-hating degree, no. It's a doctor of philosophy. And an MD is a medical doctor. Doctor. I got a bad case 11 HQ.
The page looks like same as the HypStar app. You can share your link to your friends and families to get extra lives. Now the only thing is that you need to have a PayPal account. The amount you have won will be withdrawn directly into a PayPal account. So that's it. This is it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel if you like my videos.